Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. On today's episode, I will be installing highway pegs on my 2021 Pan America. Reason being is I recently did a trip to and from Jasper's, about 4 hours each way, and about halfway back my knee was a mess. You know, I've been working for years, I've done some damage. But I want highway pegs and possibly a peg lowering kit, but they're asking ridiculous amounts, so I might try to figure out how to make that. Anyway, so yeah, on this episode, that's what we're doing. Better. So, here we are. These are the highway pegs. I bought them for the Honda, but I'm going to put them on the Pan America because I'm going to get more use out of it right away, and I can always order another set. The only issue is this hole smaller than this hole, and the bolts that came in the kit don't fit through that hole. So I got to make it bigger. And how we're going to do that is with a drill. And there's, yeah. All right. Yeah. So, as I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted by my complete lack of realization that I didn't have this recording, went to my local bike shop to try to get parts for this, and after about 2 or 3 minutes they just said, yeah, you should go. You should go check out Amazon. So, went to Amazon. I think it was $60-some for the whole setup. So, yeah. feel a little bit bad because, like I said, I want to support local. But even they were like, this is ridiculous. So, here we are. Well, guys, there it is. Highway pegs on a Pan America. I think they go well. I think I also might do some stuff for paint on this thing, so these match it a little more. But for now, anyway, thanks for checking it out. Thanks for watching the video. Next week, I don't know what we're not next week. I don't upload every week. I have a job and a life. Anyway, next video, I'll be working on something else. I don't know what yet. Might have an idea, but I don't know for sure what. So, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.